Welcome to my kitchen again, once again. Today I have brought to you all chocolate brownie. That's my best person who she always loves to eat whatever I cook, and she's my daughter. So whatever I make for her, she just relish it. So today, and her favorite is chocolate. So I'm trying to make some biscuit chocolate brownie. So I'm using this biscuit which was there, Cadbury biscuits. It says cookie or something like that. So I'll be using that, and I'll be using this melted butter. It's like 1/4 cup of melted butter. Then I'll be using 3 eggs. I'll be using chocolate vanilla essence. So here we go. Eggs inside this. Little bit changes because I'm putting those chocolate biscuits. Otherwise, you all know how to prepare brownies, chocolate cake. Cooking is like my passion. I started cooking at the age of 8 years old. I learned some cooking from my grandmother. She was once upon a time a chef. In those times, she was working in a priest's home, and she used to give me advices, lot of advices on cooking, but I was very small. But then she showed me how to cook different types of dishes and how cooking will be important in life. And that cooking came out in my mind, and I started building up with that. So my first dessert in my 8th standard, I was in 8th grade, 8th standard, and I made bread pudding. I just learned bread pudding, and then I cooked that, and it has to be taken in the school, so I got good marks for that. Here goes melted chocolate. So I took around like you can say 1 big hip spoon, another one, so 2, and so it is like 2.5 melted chocolate. So first I will add this sugar also, 1/4 cup of sugar, and I will mix this all together. Just trying to crush those biscuits. You can do it before if you want. So yeah, like that I started my cooking, and then after I finished my school, I just, after 2-3 years, I joined my classes, cooking classes in a government. It was a government place where I learned cooking. Then I joined some restaurant. I worked over there for 2 years, and then I came into travel business. But I never gave up on cooking because I still love cooking. I love to eat, so I love to cook. And my daughter loves to eat too. So here we go. So this is done, and now I will be adding flour to it. So I have taken 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'll say we call it maida, white flour, and I will be adding to this. Then I will be adding some chocolate powder because it is chocolatey, so it will be chocolatey, little bit for a taste. I will be not using much as I have already used chocolate to this, so I will be using just 2. That is drinking chocolate. And I will be using some condensed milk too. 2 teaspoons, big one. Now I will mix this with this very slowly. I don't need the electric one because I need to mix it very slowly, all this. So it will go this way. In 8 number of movement. You have to be delicately mix this all together, otherwise your brownie will not turn in a proper way. Now you can add walnut to it, cashew nuts to it, whatever you want. You can add this to this chocolate. And here this is ready to go for baking. Baking is around 180 degrees. Preheat your oven 10 minutes before, and then I have greased my baking tray. So this will go in this. spread it. And then just tap this like this, so the bubbles goes. Tap it down like this. And here, ready to bake. As soon as it gets ready, I'll click a photo and I will share it. Thank you so much. Hope you all make this nice biscuits, chocolate brownie and enjoy with your family. Thank you so much.